Welcome to the world of wooden craft ideas and scrap wood projects, where creativity meets sustainability. In a time when unique, handcrafted items are highly sought after, transforming scrap wood into beautiful and functional pieces offers an excellent opportunity for artisans and DIY enthusiasts alike. From rustic home decor such as shelves and picture frames to practical items like furniture and planters, the possibilities are endless. These projects not only allow you to express your artistic vision, but also promote eco-friendly practices by repurposing materials that would otherwise go to waste. The charm of wooden crafts lies in their individuality. Each piece tells a story and can be customized to fit any style or preference. Whether you're looking to sell at local markets, online platforms, or through social media, these innovative projects can capture the attention of potential buyers seeking unique, sustainable options for their homes. With a little creativity and ingenuity, you can turn scrap wood into coveted treasures that not only enhance living spaces, but also resonate with a growing audience eager to support sustainable craftsmanship. Dive into this journey of crafting and discover how you can create fast-selling wooden products that are as beautiful as they are environmentally responsible. If you've enjoyed this video so far, we truly appreciate your support and would love for you to become a part of our community by subscribing to our channel if you're new here. Your subscription helps us continue creating the content you love and allows us to bring you even more exciting videos in the future. If you're already a loyal viewer, we encourage you to show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family. Every like and share helps us reach a wider audience and spread the love for what we do. We also invite you to stay with us until the end of the video, as we have some special insights and bonus content that you won't want to miss. Your engagement not only motivates us, but also ensures that we can keep delivering quality content that resonates with you. Thank you for being a part of our journey, and we look forward to sharing more exciting adventures with you. Wood products have long been cherished in home decor for their natural beauty, warmth, and versatility. From rustic furniture to intricate wall art, wood adds a unique charm that can enhance any interior space. As a sustainable material, wood not only contributes to a cozy atmosphere but also aligns with eco-conscious living. Whether it's handcrafted shelving, decorative accents, or functional items like wooden planters, incorporating wood products into home decor allows for personalized expression while celebrating the craftsmanship that transforms simple materials into stunning focal points. Embracing wood in your home decor not only elevates the aesthetic but also connects you to nature, fostering a sense of tranquility and timelessness in your living environment. Rustic wooden shelves. Crafting rustic wooden shelves from reclaimed wood not only gives each piece a unique story, but also supports sustainability. You can create floating shelves, corner shelves, or display units that appeal to various home styles. Market these shelves by showcasing their versatility in living rooms, kitchens, and even bathrooms. Use high-quality images on social media to illustrate how these shelves can enhance any space, and emphasize their eco-friendly nature to attract environmentally conscious consumers. Handcrafted picture frames. Picture frames can be made from scrap wood pieces, allowing you to produce various styles, such as vintage, modern, or bohemian. Personalization options, like engraving names or dates, can make these frames desirable gifts for weddings or anniversaries. Promote them as unique home decor items that help preserve cherished memories while supporting sustainable practices. Highlight the craftsmanship involved in each frame to create a narrative that resonates with potential buyers. Wooden planters. Wooden planters are perfect for indoor and outdoor gardening enthusiasts. You can create self-watering planters or tiered designs for a more extensive garden setup. By using untreated wood, you ensure the safety of plants while providing a rustic aesthetic. Market these planters as stylish solutions for urban dwellers looking to bring greenery into their homes, emphasizing their role in promoting sustainable living through gardening. Decorative wall art. Wall art made from scrap wood can be an excellent way to express creativity. Techniques like wood burning, painting, or creating 3D effects can help you craft unique designs. Each piece can tell a story or convey a theme, such as nature or abstract art. Promote these artworks on platforms like Instagram, highlighting the handmade aspect and the sustainable materials used, which can attract art lovers and eco-conscious consumers alike. Cozy wooden candle holders. Candle holders made from scrap wood can create a warm atmosphere in any home. You can experiment with different shapes, sizes, and finishes to cater to various decor styles. Market them as perfect for cozy nights in or as unique gifts for holidays and special occasions. Highlighting their handmade quality and the use of sustainable materials can attract buyers looking for eco-friendly home accents. Stylish wooden coasters. Coasters are practical items that can also be stylish. By crafting coasters from thin slices of wood, you can offer unique designs that showcase the natural grain. Consider adding resin finishes or engraving for extra flair. Market these coasters as eco-friendly alternatives to plastic, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Promote them as great gifts or as part of a home entertaining set. Wooden wall hooks. Functional wall hooks made from scrap wood can serve both decorative and practical purposes. You can design them in various shapes and sizes, from minimalist to ornate. Market them for use in entryways, kitchens, or bathrooms, emphasizing their dual function as decor and storage solutions. Highlighting the handmade aspect can help create a unique selling proposition that appeals to buyers looking for original home decor. Furniture upcycling. Upcycling old furniture pieces not only saves resources but also creates stunning, unique items. By repainting, refinishing, or reupholstering, you can turn discarded furniture into eye-catching statement pieces. Market these items as sustainable alternatives to new furniture, emphasizing their character and history. Sharing before and after photos on social media can attract attention and showcase your transformation skills. Wine racks from pallets. Building wine racks from reclaimed pallets can appeal to wine enthusiasts who appreciate rustic aesthetics. These racks can be designed for various bottle capacities, making them suitable for different spaces. Market them as unique storage solutions that add charm to home bars or dining rooms. Highlight the eco-friendly aspect of using reclaimed materials, which can resonate with environmentally conscious consumers. Customized wooden signs. Personalized wooden signs for homes or businesses can be a lucrative market. You can create signs for family names, inspirational quotes, or business logos. Offering customization options allows customers to have a one-of-a-kind piece. Promote these signs as perfect gifts for housewarmings or weddings, emphasizing the uniqueness and personal touch that makes them special. Wooden products present a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to enter the handmade and sustainable goods market. With a growing consumer preference for unique, eco-friendly items, businesses that specialize in crafting wooden products can tap into this trend by offering everything from furniture and home decor to kitchenware and personalized gifts. The versatility of wood allows for endless creativity, enabling artisans to design pieces that cater to various styles and needs. By emphasizing quality craftsmanship and sustainable sourcing, businesses can differentiate themselves in a competitive landscape. Additionally, the rise of e-commerce platforms and social media provides an accessible avenue for marketing these products, reaching a broad audience eager to support local artisans and environmentally conscious brands. As a result, wooden products not only serve as beautiful additions to homes, but also represent a thriving business opportunity rooted in creativity and sustainability. Craft fairs and markets. Participating in local craft fairs and markets can significantly increase your visibility. Create an inviting booth that showcases your products and tells your brand story. Engaging with customers face-to-face allows you to build relationships and receive immediate feedback. Offering special promotions at these events can entice buyers, while showcasing the eco-friendly nature of your products can attract environmentally conscious attendees. Online sales platforms. Leveraging online platforms like Etsy or Shopify can expand your reach to a global audience. Invest time in creating high-quality product listings with detailed descriptions, and professional photographs. Highlight the sustainability of your crafts, as this can set you apart from mass-produced options. Utilizing SEO strategies can help your products appear in search results, increasing visibility and sales. Collaborations with local businesses. Partnering with local businesses can create mutually beneficial relationships. Consider placing your products in cafes, boutiques, or home decor shops. This not only increases exposure, but also builds a community of support among local artisans. Promote these collaborations on social media to attract their customer base, highlighting the unique offerings available through these partnerships. Workshops and classes. Hosting woodworking workshops can generate additional income while fostering a community around your craft. Teach participants how to create their own projects, providing them with a memorable experience. Promote these classes on social media and local community boards, emphasizing the fun and hands-on aspect. Offering a discount for group bookings can encourage more participation. Seasonal promotions. Capitalizing on seasonal trends can boost your sales significantly. Create themed products for holidays, such as festive decorations or gift items. Promote these seasonal offerings through targeted marketing campaigns on social media. Highlight limited-time offers to create urgency, encouraging customers to purchase before the season ends. Subscription boxes. Consider creating a subscription box featuring different wooden crafts each month. This model provides a steady income stream while introducing customers to your diverse offerings. Each box can include DIY kits, seasonal decor, or exclusive items. Promote this subscription service through social media and email marketing, showcasing the excitement of receiving a new handcrafted item each month. Custom orders. Offering custom woodworking services allows customers to request specific designs, sizes, or personalization. This not only attracts a broader clientele, but also commands higher prices for bespoke items. Create a dedicated section on your website for custom orders, showcasing previous projects as examples. Promote your ability to bring customers' visions to life, enhancing your brand's appeal. Social media marketing. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your projects. High-quality images, engaging captions, and behind-the-scenes content can attract followers and potential customers. Use hashtags strategically to reach a broader audience and collaborate with influencers to expand your reach. Regularly engaging with your audience through polls or Q&A sessions can foster a sense of community. Marketing wooden products effectively requires a strategic approach that highlights their unique qualities and eco-friendly attributes. As consumers increasingly seek sustainable and handmade items, it's essential to communicate the craftsmanship, story, and care that goes into each wooden piece. Utilizing visually appealing content, such as high-quality images and engaging videos, can showcase the beauty and functionality of the products. Social media platforms, particularly those focused on visuals like Instagram and Pinterest, provide excellent avenues for reaching potential customers and building a community around a brand. Additionally, storytelling plays a crucial role in marketing. Sharing the origins of the materials, the design process, and the artisans behind the products can create an emotional connection with consumers. By emphasizing sustainability, quality, and the artistry involved in wooden products, businesses can effectively attract and retain a dedicated customer base. We dedicated a significant amount of time and effort to prepare this video, pouring our passion and creativity into every detail to ensure it resonates with you. Your support means the world to us. So if you enjoyed what you watched, we kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Sharing this video with your friends and family not only helps us grow our community, but also encourages us to keep creating content that you love. Thank you for taking the time to watch and engage with our work. Your feedback and support inspire us to continually improve and bring you even more exciting videos in the future. We appreciate each and every one of you, and we can't wait to share our next adventure with you.